Right, lads. How's it going? Oh, we've had a strange one happen to us. Right. With the chop saw. Forget the fact it's a chop saw, right? Forget all the things that PPE lovers. Forget all the dust and all that shit. We all use diamond blades, don't we? Well, can you see that? How new that is on there?
Yeah.
Put it on there the other day, didn't we, Nurse? But I've really used it properly today. So the other blade was slightly different design. It had, this isn't really what you'd call a continuous blade, is it, Nurse?
No.
It's close, but it's not quite. The other one had you know, a section of diamond, then a definite gap, didn't it?
Yeah.
Nurse? So on and so forth. Well, we put this one on, and it's causing massive vibrations. We've had to clamp the machine. Now let's just bear this in mind, lads. Right, I'm 55. I'd like to think most of you don't think I'm a complete fucking idiot. I have got common sense. I've been using these since the mid-90s. I've had probably 10 of these, and fuck knows how many blades I've bought. I've never had this happen. I've never had to clamp this still, ever. So now we're getting the vibration where the cutter's doing like a washing machine can. Sort of track across the floor, done it, sideways.
Yeah.
And it's very hard to cut accurate. This is the beauty of this thing. One, its speed, and how accurate. There's nothing I can't cut on this until today.
With this new blade.
Yeah, it's not buckled. It's on properly. It's not cross-threaded. I've checked everything. Nuss has done it twice, and I just took it apart 5 minutes ago and checked Nuss. There's nothing wrong with how it's been put together. But because of this designer blade, which I'm fucking 90% certain I've had one like this before. I mean, the sound's different, but that always happens with blades. But let me see if it... Huh? Are you in this video?
Yeah.
Fucking bloke, this boy's all the time, doesn't fucking listen, boys, drives me mad. So, for instance, when I'm doing these cut-ups, I'll put the brick on the end there, I'll do a pencil mark, I'll bring the brick into the machine, and I'll guess 30 mil. And I'll cut that 30 mil, so the brick's 30 mil smaller. So it allows for the bed joint and allows for a bit of room. But as you go in, can you see how that's not straightness?
Yeah.
That edge there.
Yeah.
Well, that's the quality of cut I'm getting, boys, which doesn't matter here because it's not seen. But that quality of cut is appalling. This machine is absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So, what the hell, boys? What's going on with it? I'm absolutely convinced it's something to do with this type of blade. But I know we've had one before. If I undo this, Nuss. In fact, give me the camera, Nuss, I'll show them. Well, I'll show them the blade rather than undoing all that. Right, lads, I don't know how well you can see this. But it's like there's notches out for the different side of the blade. So in one way it is continuous, but in another way it's not. I don't know how good that is, Nuss. My minties are no good, lads. So I'm a little bit stumped, boys. I am stumped. As it is, for doing these cut-ups here on this part inside the ladder, it doesn't matter. But when you're doing intricate stuff like when I'm going around these bits or whatever, not halves, but something when I'm doing intricate stuff, this is no way, that's not good enough. Well, I don't think it is anyway. So, I think we're going to have to go down the route of buying a new blade. Unless someone out there knows something about that I don't. I'm officially scratching my head. Plug up, boys.